your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So current conditions outside are looking pretty good. We have, generally speaking, a sunny sky out there, and we will continue to watch our temperatures rise as we head into the afternoon. Currently, we've already broken the 80-degree mark in many locations, including Sarasota at 81 degrees. With full sunshine out there, no reason we can't get to about 83 for a daytime high. Dew point is at 65. We have a south wind continuing to blow at 3. Now, one of the keys, I think, to the forecast over the next 24 hours is going to be the development of some sea fog, which, if we take this south wind and turn it a little bit more to the southwest, we're likely to push some of that sea fog closer to the coast. And I think we may well do that tomorrow morning around drive time. We'll be watching the winds shift once again to a more northerly direction, which could blow some of that sea fog back away from the coast. So timing is everything in this forecast, and fog forecasting is a difficult thing at best. So we'll wait and see how it develops, but that potential does exist because of the winds. 83 degrees by 3 p.m., 70 by 7 p.m. By midnight, 66 degrees, and we'll probably start to see some of that fog forming around midnight and gradually drifting back toward the coast. Then about 7 a.m. with a 65-degree temperature, may well start to see some of that fog being pushed back away from the coast. Watch the FUTURECAST. We'll put it hour by hour. A mix of sun and fair weather clouds today, some fog forming out in the coast by the evening hours, and then getting pushed a little bit further onshore as we head into the wee hours of the morning. And tomorrow morning, possibly, we'll start to see some of that fog be a kind of limiting factor in the visibilities for drive time tomorrow morning. We'll also have a few scattered showers around, and those scattered showers are going to be caused by a frontal boundary that'll slowly be sinking southward and falling apart as it does so, leading to some unsettled weather tomorrow, I guess you could say. There'll be plenty of sunshine around, but there'll also be a fair amount of cloud cover as well. There's our front right now. The frontal boundary itself producing some snow showers in upstate New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, and rain showers back further down toward the Atlanta area today. The whole frontal boundary pushed south begins to weaken as the energy lifts off to the north, and we are left with kind of a decaying frontal boundary that brings us a chance at a scattered shower or two. Not a big one. South wind turning to the southwest at about 5 knots, looking for 2-foot seas and a light chop. And the forecast looks like this. We'll have a daytime high today of around 83, tomorrow about 81, a few more clouds around, 20% chance of an isolated sprinkle or shower. And then over the next several days, nice weather. Even with the front coming through, we won't cool all that much. On Sunday, about a 30% chance of showers, but that increases as the front stalls over us on Monday and leads to more unsettled weather. But again, none of these fronts really lowering our temperature all that much. Scott?